up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing two hair styling products. So stay tuned to see what that's about. But first, we're gonna take care of these bad. I am going to be putting on these bad boys. And Miss Nani, what are you doing?
I'm doing my nails.
You doing your nails? What colors are you doing?
I get blues.
Blues? Uh-huh.
I get to my nail real pretty.
Pretty? Okay, let's see. Hey, girlfriend.
Hi. I get to my nails.
Ooh, that's really pretty.
Whoa. Mom, I get to your nails.
Yeah. Gotta be careful not to mess them up. What is that?
The sparkles.
Sparkles. Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, can I see? Put them down. Oh. Wow.
Oh.
Look at those. Insert name here on Instagram has a lot of followers. I went down, looked through their page, found the pictures of people who have used the tool before. They look really nice. So we went to the website, and they mainly specialize in extensions and wigs, but they carry these tools there. So this is where we ended up purchasing them from. We got the combo, which we show at the end of the video as well, but you can buy them separately. That's the information to the website if you are interested in finding it. I'll also leave it in description link below so that you are able to just go to the website and get it there if you want. But if you can see, both individually are $72. I just want to start off by mentioning that my hair was really oily. I was due to wash it, and I just wanted to try it out before I washed it, so that's why it looks so flat. The first styling tool that we are going to try out is the Waver from the insert the name here. It is a pretty simple tool to use, not complicated at all. It heats up to 450 degrees, and it brings a wand with it as well so that it's easy to use. Opening the box itself is really simple too. You just have to slide the box out in order for the tool to show up. I love the color, that it was like a peachy pink. It was really bigger than what I expected, and it, like I mentioned before, it heats up pretty fast. So let's see how it came out. My sister helped me with this one so that I could show you guys a different view of doing it instead of me trying to do it with a back mirror to show you. It shows you how quickly it heats up really fast, and then you can get right to it. Also, parting, you can part it the way that she did it and work all your way up depending on how much hair you have, or you can also just part it with all of your hair and just do like the bottom half kind of crinkly beach look waves if you wanted to do it that way. In this scenario, we just did it working all the way up so that we can really show how all of the hair would look like once it was done. And it was pretty simple, only takes a few seconds to leave and it makes the effect. But once again, remember, my hair was really oily, so it's not gonna look how as good as it should look, but it worked really well. I was really impressed with how quickly it worked, and I would definitely recommend this one. It's a quick way to change your look from straight to kind of beachy wavy looks, and you don't have to do as much. Like I mentioned, you can do as much or as little as you want on your hair so that it gives you the effect that you're looking for. But I really like this tool. I really like how big the tool is, because whether you have short or long hair, it's going to make it really easy for you to use. If you have short hair, it'll be very quick for you to use, and you won't have to use the whole tool to get the effect you want. If you have long hair, then it's going to be a lot easier for you to be done faster without having to spend as much time going in on each section. Because my hair was so oily, it came out flat, but you get the point of it. It works really well. Up next, we're doing the insert blowout here styling tool. For this one, I had my sister already wash her hair, so we would just have to pull it out and get right to it. This one is the same way. You just pull it out, and it's a pretty big brush as well, just like the other one. And this one worked just as well. It worked really fast, dried her hair really fast, and it actually left it really shiny. So I definitely recommend both of them. This one also had its levels where it would heat up from low to high, and that's how fast it would blow. My sister's hair, as you can see, is really long, so let's see how long it took me to do her hair. Also, I want to mention that my phone died, so I didn't get to record the whole process of doing her hair, but I was able to get a few clips so that you can see how it looks. At first, I just went through the hair just to dry some of it off before actually doing the styling technique. So if you see, for some of it, I'm just trying to get the roots and just kind of putting it through the hair a few times just to dry it out a little bit more. And then I went in and I would put all the hair around the brush to kind of give it a little bit of a bounce. I really like how her hair came out. Her hair is really long, and it was not a hassle at all to do her hair. It was easier than when I have to blow dry her hair. Obviously not as much volume as a blow dryer would, but it definitely does the trick when you just want to have your hair straightened and don't really have time to go to a salon or pull out the blow dryer and really, you know, style it with all the curls. It really just straightened her hair and gave it shine and gave it a little bit of volume, and it was done in no time. So I definitely recommend both of them. We got them in a pack. I'm gonna insert the 2 clips in there now. We had seen different ones that we wanted to get, but they were sold out, and then we saw this and got the deal for both of them for $79 on sale. They're currently sold out now, and they're selling each of them at $70, which is better to get the bundle, obviously, because you save a lot more money. But if they do come back in stock, I'm leaving the links down below so you guys can see them. If you're interested in buying them, go ahead and get them because they're definitely worth it.